Alright, here we're at the Safi Metropolitan Hotel. It's at Pedro Garza Garcia. This is the brand new hotel. Buenas. So, oh, we're gonna go up to 43. 42. These floors are inaccessible because they require key cards, so I guess 30 could be the highest. Oh, we're going up all of a sudden. So this is the brand new hotel that I don't know which year opened up, but these are KONE Ecodisc Installed in 2018. But 30 is the highest we can go. Here we're at 30. I think we're gonna do one ride because there are many employees around. So this goes up to the beautiful lounge. Not a PB. Such a nice elevator. Hey, there's Big Brother. There are the fixtures on both sides along with the indicators. Yeah, 30 goes up to the lounge area, but here at PB. And there's a KONE button on the wall. The KONE logo, I'm sorry. I don't know what that braking is. All right. Sorry, I don't want the employees to catch me, and I think I'm about to get busted in a sec. But these elevators are beautiful, so. Here at 30 again. There's hand sanitizer right there. I forgot to mention that. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Right down the PV will end there. There's that beautiful lounge. Again, your really nice KONE elevator. There's Big Brother. Hey y'all. So here are the fixtures on both sides along with the indicators, and there's that ad right there. Here at PB. Really like how the rest of the numbers are omitted. So here we are now. Just gotta. Buenas tardes. No, estoy bajando. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.